First, let's take a very definite posture. Relaxed, dignified, back erect, but not stiff, letting your body express a sense of being present and awake. Now close your eyes. Become aware of what's going on and through your mind. What thoughts are around? As best as you can see, just see the thoughts as clouds passing by. So you're aware of these thoughts, and then become aware of the feelings that surround them. How are your feelings right now? Are there any uncomfortable or unpleasant feelings? And if so, rather than trying to push them away or shutting them out, just acknowledge them. Perhaps saying something like, "Oh, there you are. That's how it is right now. It's okay. You're allowed to be here." And similarly with sensations in the body. This may be sensations of tensions or holding. And again, awareness of the sensations, simply noting them. Okay, that's how it is right now. So you have a sense of what's going on right now. You stepped out of automatic pilot. The second step is to collect your awareness by focusing on a single object, the movement of the breath. So now you really gather yourself, focusing attention down there in the movement of the abdomen, the rise and fall of the breath, spending a minute or so focusing on the movement of the abdominal wall, moment by moment, breath by breath, so that you know when the breath is moving in and when the breath is moving out. Just binding your awareness to the pattern of movement in the abdomen, using the anchor of the breath to really be present. And now is the third step. You allow your awareness to expand. As well as being aware of the breath, you also include a sense of your body as a whole, so that you get this more spacious awareness, a sense of the body as a whole, including any tightness or sensations related to tension in the shoulders, your neck, back, or face, holding it all in a slightly softer, spacious awareness. Now when you're ready, I'd like you to open your eyes.